Shit.
Ganz normal fahren.
Alter, wir verarschen oder was? Das sind nicht immer schnell fahren. Hey, da steht ja vorne ein Schild, jetzt Tiere, die liegen auf der Straße rum, die hören euch nicht, bleiben einfach liegen. Fahr doch mal anständig, Alter. Weißt du, dass du das Tier legst? Hey, Ruhe, Alter, komm nicht raus, los. Abstand halten, fahrt ihr ordentlich durch, Robby, runter, ihr Vögel. Du stellst dich durch. Ja, weil ihr ordentlich durchfahren sollt, wie verstanden oder was? Ja, ist gut. Also.
Ja, komm jetzt, komm jetzt, komm.
Asshole! What, you want to run those people over? Jackass! Shit! God damn it, Chris! Fuck! VF9. What? You? How are you gonna come into my lane? I'm right here. How can you not see me? Yes, I was. I was right there. I was sitting here in this lane. What the f are you talking about? F you. How about that? How about my life? You don't care about my life?
I do care about your life.
Then why are you coming in my lane?
Then drive respectfully.
I was in my lane. What the f are you talking about? Are you f
I'm fine, man. Are you alright?
No, I'm fine.
It's alright, bruv.
I'm very sorry about that.
It's okay, mate. It's I mean, I was, you know, the motorbikes come up here quick and all that, you know.
No, I'm sorry.
Are you alright there? Yeah?
Alright.
It's fine, mate. I don't think you've done any damage.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's alright, mate.
No, have I done it? Are you? Did I touch you though?
I think no, you didn't hit me. You just touched the bike, man. So, I mean, it don't look like there's anything.
Take my number, so if you could closer inspect it later and you find damage, then
You're a gentleman, then, sir. You're a gent, sir. Thank you. Probably won't even need to sort it. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong.
No,
but if I notice there's something wrong on the way home,
then let me know,
I'll drop you a message and I'll let you know,
And
man.
then
But it's fine.
I'll pass on my
And don't worry, I've seen people do far worse on motorcyclists
really
during the
sorry,
time,
man.
man. It's
No, but still, I'm sorry.
we come out of nowhere
Yeah,
sometimes.
but that could have been more serious. So I'm really sorry.
Don't worry, man. It's all right. Take it easy, all right?
Okay,
NRMA!
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
You hate me, man. When I'm not angry, you have to not angry, you know?
I don't care, I'm very angry. One, you pulled in front of me without indicating.
Man.
You then pulled up without
Look,
your
brother,
bloody tail lights don't work.
You was very, very slow and I changed my line. Then you have no right to come in.
What is your fucking phone number, cunt?
No, that damage is on that side.
Yeah.
You've obviously pulled over in front of him.
No, I was in my line.
What
He
is
come
your
from this
phone
line
number?
and say, it is not in this line, in that line.
I think you guys better call police on that.
What?
What's going on?
Did you see it?
Nah, I was just walking and I seen this guy's talking like this. I don't know.
I know that!
Yeah, no, I'm just
Because I was behind you, it's my fault! But that does not absolve you of pulling in front of me without fucking indicating! You did fucking not!
Man, I indicated and I changed my line.
You take a
From back.
You take a photo of my license!
Okay.
You cunt! And let me do the same with yours!
Yeah, I will.
I want your license now!
Okay.
See this thing.
Right now!